So NAS 100 failed to go bullish. It refused. Alright, as you can see, like, and it also makes sense why. Alright, because it took time to decline, because we did anticipate that NAS 100 before it could break this rectangle here, like it had to at least reach here to collect enough momentum, and it took a lot of time to do that. It hasn't even reached it. Alright, hence it makes sense. Alright, like as you can see from the previous week, as the market reopens, what happened? It just it went choppy, moved to the sideways. Alright, so it makes sense why we did not break this structure yet. Alright, I'm not sure if we're gonna be breaking it for this coming week again, but let's just see, man, what NAS 100 has got for us. So let's clear up the charts and then just analyze from question why 0 time. Alright, so moving chart and then going to the weekly time frame. Alright, so as you can see, this is our structure that we have. Alright, it makes sense why like we are having that bit of a pause in the market. Alright, like the market still deciding on which direction to take, because the structure is kind of complete and not yet complete at the same time. Alright, because remember, overall what we're looking for, I did say that NAS 1 is going to be going bullish for the entire year. Alright, but not without a major sell-off. Alright, we need a major sell-off, and this might just be that time where we get a major sell-off from NAS 100. Like it might be the largest of the year. Alright, and then from there we know we're gonna be going super bullish for the entire year. Alright, like I kind of see it like already by looking at the structure. I'm kind of seeing a major sell-off from NAS 100. Alright, just look at this. Alright, just look at this. We need a horizontal line. Alright, horizontal line. I mean, just look at this. Where the point where NAS 100 is at now. Just look at this structure, guys. This might be a major sell-off. Alright, the market from here, it might sell off until here or even further, collect enough momentum. Alright, and eventually go bullish. Alright, like we've seen this a couple of times, seen this a lot of times. Alright, NAS 100 might just give us a major sell-off for this year, an extreme sell-off. Alright, let's see, when was January? Okay, even if it reaches here, we'll still be safe, but we'll lose lots of our profits. Alright, so, and we are not looking to exit the position yet. Alright, because we know NAS 100 still has a very major bullish move. Alright, but we're gonna be scaling, we're gonna be scaling. Alright, we're gonna scale correctly and see where it takes us. Alright, so this is one possibility by just reading the price action and like chart patterns, and that, like this is what we expect. The market might just give us something like this. Alright, because where is it now? It reaches climax. Alright, it's exhausted. The move is exhausted now because it has been going bullish for a very long time. Alright, as you can see, this is a structure that we reversed. Alright, because it came down here and then gave us a double bottom here. Alright, give us a double bottom, because that's how I killed CPI in January, and I did say it's because of this double bottom structure. Alright, now so when it came down beautifully, gave us this double bottom. What did I say? You cut the structure in half. Alright, and then what happened on its left is gonna also occur on its right. Alright, obviously it's not gonna be as perfect, but it will. Alright, and exactly that happened. The market did go super up. Alright, so meaning from here, as you can see what happened, this part here is from here and then to our structure, and then so meaning what might happen is that NAS 100 might give us this last part, this one. Alright, it might give us okay, it might give us this last part. Alright, so this is what we are looking for, this last part. This is what NAS 100 might give us. Alright, so meaning hence I say we are expecting a decline. Like there's a high possibility that the market might decline. So I mean, it might give us this tool right here. All right. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. All right. It might give us this tool right here. All right. And then shoot for the moon. All right. So it's a high possibility, guys. I'm not saying it's certain. It might, okay, it might not even be a major sell-off, but we are looking for a decline from Nasdaq 100 by just reading this structure alone. All right. So let's see in a long run what's gonna be happening. All right. So yeah, let's just clear this. All right. But it's a high possibility. All right, so let's go to the daily time frame. All right, so on the daily, let's see what we have. Okay, can I have this kind of type of double top taper like structure? All right, let's go to the 4 hour. You see, even on 4 hour, you can put something here. All right, you can put something here. So meaning, let's see another one where we can put something. Okay, so we have kind of have our main levels. So the price is gonna face a lot of struggle. It is going to face a lot of struggle. All right. If we put this trend like this, you see, like it's gonna this is going to face a lot of struggle, guys, honestly, because it might then from here end up returning and shooting for the moon. All right, because as much as I'm telling y'all, we're anticipating a very decline. It may not be now. All right, it may give us something like this and then come back and eventually drop like crazy. All right, so we're just gonna be waiting and looking, but I suspect we now, like for this coming week, we're not gonna get that major break to the downside, because like I know this trend that I put up is not the most accurate. Can even put it from here, does not make sense from there. Like, can take it from here, it's not the most accurate, but like kind of makes sense. Like the market's gonna struggle a lot before it could go to the downside. So there's a high chance that the market may just continue with its bullish move. Right, very high chance. Right, so I don't have much to say, guys, about Nasdaq 100. If you learn anything from this video, please give us a thumbs up, and if you're new to this channel, please subscribe. Like to have on this channel, and peace.